Alright guys, hope you're doing well. We just got the package from iceriver that it's a KS3 here. So let's open it. Let's check it out what's inside. The box looks similar to all the boxes before we had. And let's see, nice, the same red packaging, nice foam we've got, and then oh, look at this, that's a new type of bagging, and it's taped, so it's anti-static back, and look at this, a nice iceriver KS3 sticker. Let's pull it out and check it out. Alright, so looks like it's just like my KS3Ls, 2-fan power supply. Hopefully that's gonna hold up pretty well. My 3-fan power supply failed, both of them. So yeah, I just give a big hope for these power supplies, and I have 3 more extra. So these 2 already failed. iceriver shipped me a new one, and I purchased 2 extra just in case. So this is my gonna be my next setup. I'm gonna remove these fans. I have Infinity. Thanks, by the way, T-Swift for a great deal on that iceriver, and I got the kit for AC Infinity fan, which I'm gonna be removing all these fans here and putting up, setting up, and let it mine. Thank you, Greater Good Miner, for a referral code I was able to save on that kit. And I'll see you in the next one. This is just unboxing video, real quick, guys. So if you are waiting for your stuff, my miner was supposed to come KS3 tomorrow, but it did came today, which is Sunday. Really happy about the earlier delivery than later. All right, thanks.